Welcome to our video featuring the full-size, heavy-duty, all-steel washing machine stand that stands 12 inches tall. This universal pedestal is designed to fit washers and dryers of various sizes, providing extra height and stability. Made from durable steel, it supports heavy appliances and helps prevent vibrations during operation. The adjustable design allows you to customize the height to fit refrigerators or other large appliances as well. Non-slip furniture rail pads keep your machine securely in place and protect your floors from scratches. With easy installation and robust construction, this stand enhances your laundry area's functionality and safety. Stay tuned to see how it can improve your appliance setup and workspace. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.